Okay, so let's get started because we have to finish today this chapter particularly. And I already added the worksheet in your this description box, which will be after finishing this lecture. You can download and you can start doing into this. So we'll be finishing today all the complete part of the your modulus concept. So let's get started. I'll be starting with this particular question itself. If you see this one, we already discussed that means how to make the cases. That is the most important part for the uh, inequality. And not only inequalities, any kind of the in mathematics, the making cases is very important. So let's start with this particular question. And don't think that okay, this is the inequality is coming, something different method will be there. No, there is nothing like different method. It's exactly same thing what you did in the equation. So let's go ahead and start with this one. So first thing, we have to find x. So this mod has to disappear. That's the main thing. If this mod has to disappear, so we need to know that when it's going to change its behavior. This will change its behavior at x equal to 1, and this will change its behavior at x equal to 2. Means I want the area before 1, I want the area between 1 and 2, I want the area after 2. So that I can deal separately and it will not be mixed up. So this is the 1 I'm putting and 2 I'm putting, and this is complete separate space for solving this question in this space, in this space, and in this space. Remember, when you're solving this particular space, you don't have to worry about these two particular space. You have to do only here. So now, this means what? X is less than 1. If x is less than 1, the mod of x minus 1 will become minus of x minus 1. And mod of x minus 2 will become minus of x minus 2, greater than equal to 7. So now this will become minus x minus 2x plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 greater than equal to 7. You can see from here minus 2x greater than equal to 4, and x will be less than equal to minus 2, because minus 2 if we divide, whenever we divide a negative quantity or multiply a negative quantity, sign of inequality always get changed. Now, slight difference. Earlier, when the equation is there, it was very easy to tell we should accept or not. Here, slight you have to be careful. We are dealing before 1, means I cannot go beyond 1. See, is there any portion which is going beyond 1? No, this is saying less than minus 2. But minus 2 will be where your minus 2 will be somewhere here. Here will be minus 2. They are saying, I want only this portion. Yes, this is the acceptable. So we can accept this portion. So this is the accepted answer. I hope it's clear to everybody. Now, when we go between 1 and 2, what will happen? After 1, this quantity will be positive. So mod of x minus 1 will become x minus 1. And this quantity will be still negative because this is the before 2. So minus of x minus 2 greater than equal to 7. So x will get cancelled. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. 1 greater than equal to 7, which is not at all possible. So this area, no solution. Now we will be going right side of this 2. So right side of 2, this will be positive. This will be also positive. So x minus 1 plus x minus 2 greater than equal to 7. 2x minus 3 greater than equal to 7. 2x greater than equal to 10. So x greater than equal to 5. I hope it's clear to everybody. Greater than equal to 5. That means I want, this is the acceptable or not. We are doing under what condition? X should be bigger than 2. A bigger than 2, is it bigger than 2 or not? Yes, it's bigger than 2. So this is the answer or this is the answer. The final answer of this question will be x less than equal to minus 2 or x greater than equal to 5. If you want to write in the interval form, which we'll discuss later, that will be x element of minus infinity to minus 2, because less than minus 2 to minus infinity, or means union, and 5 to infinity. That's what is the answer is going to come. Check, anybody have difficulty into this? Anybody got it this question already in the homework when it was given? We are not learning anything separate method for the inequality. Whatever we learn for the equation, same thing will be valid for this also. There is no difference. Right? Let's go ahead and see the next one. Same questions here also. Let's try for this. Be clear. You have to make cases only whoever is changing its behavior because of any reason. Maybe tomorrow we'll talk. You talk about the greatest integer. To greatest integer behavior change because of integral property. Here it's changed because of the positive negative. Means at 0. So now this will change its behavior at 2. This will change its behavior at 5. So we'll make the cases like this. 2 here and 5 here. So before 2, what is going to be happen? This will be negative as well as this will be also negative. So we'll get minus of x minus 2 minus of x minus 5 greater than equal to x. So minus x minus 2x plus 2 plus 5 plus 7 greater than equal to x. This I'm shifting here. So we'll get 3x, 2x will go this, 3x less than equal to 7. Means x less than equal to 7 by 3. Now careful. Now careful. You are not allowed to cross this boundary. You have to be here. Think carefully. 7 by 3 will be where? 7 by 3 means what? 2 point something? Will be somewhere here. So this is saying you have x can go up to 7 by 3. But this boundary is saying you cannot cross this. So I will accept, but not fully. I have to modify this. X should be less than 7 by 3. And I cannot go to 2. 7 by 3 will be somewhere here, 2 point something. So I cannot cross this one. So finally, this will give you answer x less than equal to 2. X less than equal to 2 means common value, which is satisfying the condition. I cannot go this one. This means what? You have to go minus infinity to still 7 by 3. But you cannot cross. So this portion will be, you have to leave it out. Am I clear to everybody? So you have to keep in updating so that I can come to know. Right? So this portion, that's why only this answer will be there. Now, come to this portion and try to check here. After 2, but before 5. After 2, this will be positive. So x minus 2. And this will be still negative, minus x plus 5, greater than equal to x. So now from here, this x and this x will get cancelled. Minus 2 plus 5, 3. 3 greater than equal to x. Means, what do you mean to say? X less than equal to 3. Can I accept? Not fully. This is saying x less than 3. Please carefully understand. This is saying x less than 3. 3 will be somewhere here. Less than 3. But problem is I cannot go beyond this. 2 I cannot cross because my boundary is that I have to be till 2 or till 5. After the answer is coming less than 3. Less than 3. Suppose somebody say x less than equal to 3. Forget about this question. Separately, if it's coming up, x less than 3, what does mean it? It means x can go up to minus infinity. But problem is that I cannot cross 2. So finally, this I also have to modify. I will say x will be less than equal to 3. But apart from this, my condition, x should be greater than 2 also. This will be the answer. Why greater than equal to 2? Have you understand? Because of this boundary. I cannot cross the boundary. Don't worry, sir, equal to put or not. Put it, no problem. No issue. Boundary always you can consider. So from here, this answer is coming up. I hope it's clear to everybody. Now next, in this area, what will happen? This particular area, what will happen? After 5. After 5, this is also positive, this is also positive. We'll say x minus 2 plus x minus 5 greater than equal to x. So 2x minus 7 greater than equal to x. This x will come here and 7 will go this here. So x greater than equal to 7. Can I accept? Yes, you can accept. Totally. Because 7 will be somewhere here. Greater than 7, they are saying. So it can go up to infinity anywhere. So final answer is what? Means this is acceptable. This is the answer. This is the answer. So finally answer will be what? X less than equal to 2 or X lie between 2 and 3 or X greater than equal to 7. X greater than equal to 7. This will be the answer. This answer you can write other way also, because this is saying X less than 2 and 2 to 3 also I am taking, before 2 also I am taking. So these two you can combine. This is saying less than 2 also you have to take. Suppose these are 2. Saying less than 2 also you have to take. You have to take 2 to 3 also. So finally we can say X, we have to take before 3 everything. So this you can modify totally. You can say X less than equal to 3 or X greater than equal to 7. I hope it's clear. Which part is not clear? If any segment is not clear, please let me know so that I can make it clear. Initially, if you never able, earlier, if you never did inequality intersections, slightly difficulty will be there, but believe me, after 2-3 questions, you will become perfect. It will not be problem. Let me explain by the another example. Suppose question is coming. Find X, right everybody? Find X if mod of X plus mod of X minus 3 minus X greater than equal to 10. This question is coming. So think very carefully. This question, what exactly we should do? Again, making cases will solve the question. This will change its behavior at 0. This will change its behavior at 3. This is a free. It will never change behavior because this is not, it's a free X. But behavior who change? Whoever inside a function. Here X is not an inside function. So don't worry. This is to only having inside a function. So our boundary, first draw boundary and solve it. Whatever the typical question, it will never create problem. 0, 3. Now, before 0, what will happen? This will be negative. So minus X. This will be also negative. Minus X plus 3. Minus X. Because of this minus X greater than equal to 10. This will never affected. Be clear. So minus X, minus X, minus X, minus 3X plus 3 greater than equal to 10. Or you can say minus 3X greater than equal to 7. Or you can say minus 3 divide. Whenever you are dividing a negative quantity, sign of inequality always change. So X will be less than equal to minus 7 by 3. Can I accept? Yes, full I can accept. Less than minus 7, 3, everything I can accept. Why? Because minus 7 by 3 will be somewhere here. So less than minus 7 by 3 means this complete area. And this is the belongs to this area in this space. So I can consider. So this is the one of the answer. Now, coming to this here. Here, this is the right side of 0. So this will be positive, X. This will be still negative because this is the left side of 3. So minus X plus 3. Minus X greater than equal to 10. This 2X will get cancelled. And we are going to get minus 3, I can send other side. Minus X greater than equal to 7. So X less than equal to minus 7. Right? Minus, if you multiply other side, sign of inequality will change. Now, this part, can I accept? No, not at all. I have to consider between 0 and 3 only. My area is between 0 and 3 and minus 7 will be somewhere here. You cannot consider. So this is the collapse. You can reject this answer. Now coming to after 3. After 3, what will happen? Everything positive. This is also positive. This is also positive. Don't touch this. This is a free variable. So X plus X minus 3 minus X greater than equal to 10. This X get cancelled. We'll say X greater than equal to 13. This will go this side. Can I accept? Completely I can accept. Because my area is there after 3 everything. So 13 will be somewhere here. So after 13 also it's my area. So I can consider. So finally these two answer. So we'll say answer for this question will be X less than equal to minus 7 by 3 or x greater than equal to 13. Be clear. Between the cases when the answer right, or always will come. Those who know inequality, how to write the inequality, they can write in this way. Ki x less than minus 7 by 3 means what? Minus infinity to minus 7 by 3. R means union, and 13 to infinity. This will be where the answer will be written. I hope this part at least make it clear. Please confirm so that I can go ahead. Somebody having problem with the between 2 and 5x segment. I think previous question they are talking. Please confirm about this question. See, it's damn simple. Be confident in yourself. Until unless you will not have confidence, you cannot do. And calculation should be avoided. Calculation mistake. Calculation mistake will be avoided only one case if you do write the steps properly. Don't be in a hurry. Don't run behind the speed. Run behind the concept. Speed automatically will come. Right? Let's do more questions so that it should be perfectly clear. Look at the question. Find x if mod of x plus 1 minus mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 3 less than equal to anything, take it, let's say 5. Does not matter how many mod, how many situations. If you want, you can solve the question easily. There's no problem. At least draw line, everybody. Draw line, everybody. Rest, I will be helping you. Draw line, everybody. As I said, this will change behavior at -1. This will change behavior at 1. This will change behavior at 3. Right? So, how will you draw line? -1 first, then 1, then 3. Boundary line should be clear. There should not be any confusion. This is the boundary line. Means I will solve this question 4 times. Once here, once here, once here, once here. Whatever answer here, with the or word we will use it and we'll combine the answer. That will give you perfectly correct answer. There is no chance it can be wrong. Chaliye, before -1, this will be negative. This will be also negative. This will be also negative. So we'll say -x, -1, and look at here. Minus of x minus 1. So minus plus. Be careful here. Generally, calculation. This is the area where the people do calculation mistake. -x plus 3. I guess, yeah, I'm doing correct. Less than equal to 5. This x will get cancelled. -1, -2, and plus 3, 1. So minus x plus 1 less than equal to 5. So minus x less than equal to 4. X greater than equal to -4. Can I accept? Yes, you can accept. But there is a point. This is saying x greater than -4. Do you know where is -4? Here. Watch carefully, everybody. This is saying x is greater than -4. So means, okay, greater than means right side. I'm moving right side, moving. But I cannot cross this boundary. So means I can take only here to here. Greater than -4 means what? My boundary is here. I cannot go beyond this. So I have to cut the answer, and I will say that now the answer will be x, of course, greater than equal to -4, but I cannot cross -1, so I will add -1 from my side. This is the answer. This is what the difference will come in the inequality. But you have to understand your number is only till -1. That way think, because your space of solving is this, not whole real number, because you made the cases. Can you confirm this line is clear so that I can go to the next box? Is this point is clear? Okay. Okay, going to the next box. Miss, in this area, be clear, whatever answer is coming, that should be between -1 and 1. If answer is crossing 1, I will cut it. Crossing -1, I will cut it. That's only way. I will keep the answer inside this. That's only precaution I have to take. After -1, this quantity will be positive, so x plus 1. But this quantity is still negative, so minus of x minus 1, and minus here already there, plus x minus 1. And this quantity is still negative, minus x plus 3 less than equal to 5. Something is getting cancelled, x will get cancelled. And we are going to get x, 1 also get cancelled, x plus 3 less than equal to 5. If you notice, I'm writing the steps, and that's what you also should do. Initial stage, never try to skip the steps. It will create, you will never get confidence that my answer is correct or not. I get confidence because I write the steps. If any calculation mistake, I can notice there itself. So 3 will go this side, x less than equal to 2. Can I accept? That is the question. It's saying x less than 2. What is the meaning of x less than 2? Where is 2? 2 is somewhere here. So it means it's saying that x less than 2 means here to infinity. Anything can be taken. Drawing has become poor. Here to till infinity. But problem is this, I can take only this area. So this is saying less than 2 everything, but everything is useless for me. I will take only -1 to 1. So -1 to 1 everything I have to take. So this part will give you the answer x element of -1 to 1. Is this clear? -1 to 1. I wrote interval form. I'm sorry. I will write in this form, inequality format. Is it clear? Is this line clear? Yes. This point should be clear. I taken complete interval from -1 to 1. Why so? Because less than 2, it's saying take everything less than 2. I cannot take everything less than 2, because my space is this much only. My space is only this much, -1 to 1. So that's why I taken the only -1 to 1. Right? Okay, let's go ahead. Going into this box, 1 to 3. What will happen? This will be positive because the right side of -1, this is also positive, but this will be still negative. So x plus 1, positive. Be clear, this minus is already there. So minus of x minus 1, minus of x plus 3 less than equal to 5. So it will become x minus x cancel, 1 plus 1, 2, minus x plus 3 less than equal to 5. So minus x less than equal to 5, 0. Because 2 plus 3, 5, 5 will go this side and it will cancel. I hope I am doing correct. Now x greater than equal to 0. X greater than equal to 0. Think carefully. What is meaning of this statement? X greater than equal to 0. 0 will be where? 0 will be somewhere here. X greater than equal to 0 means it's trying to say after 0 everything. But everything I cannot take. I can take only 1 to 3. So 1 to 3 will be answer from here. X greater than equal to 1 but less than equal to 3. So this will be answer from this case, this will be answer from this case. Means every case is giving some answer. These two cases given full answer, complete, whatever is there inside box, everything is given. Now, in this part, what will happen? The right one, after 3. After 3, everything positive because the rightmost case. So x plus 1 minus x plus 1 plus x minus 3 less than equal to 5. This x get cancelled. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1. So x minus 1 less than equal to 5, or you can say x less than equal to 6. This is saying less than 6 everything. This is saying x less than 6 everything. 6 will be somewhere here. Less than 6 everything. But problem is that I cannot cross 3. So less than 6 means what you will modify x less than equal to 6 but greater than equal to 3. This is the answer from this part. This is the total answer is going to come for this particular situation. Now these answers we have to modify and write the final answer. First check everybody. I'm giving you 10-15 second time. If anywhere doubt, please let me know so that I can combine answer and tell it. If any doubt, put in the comment so that I can make it clear. Before I'm combining the final answer will look totally different. Any particular box is not clear, please let me know. No doubt. Okay, fine. Let's go ahead and finalize the answer. What is this saying? Means this answer or this answer. Between two cases or always will come. So finally, how will you write the answer? X greater than equal to minus 4 less than equal to minus 1, or x lie between minus 1 to 1, or x lie between 1 to 3, or x lie between 3 to 6. If you notice carefully, minus 4 to minus 1, minus 1 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 6. Are finally say x is between minus 4 and 6. Because everything you're taking from minus 4 to 6. So direct answer we can write this way. Minus 4 to 6. In the interval form, you can write this way. Minus 4 close to minus 6. This way. Am I clear? Right? Going ahead and making things slightly different. Find x if x plus mod of x minus 3 minus mod of x, no, take it 5x. 5x plus mod of x minus 3 minus mod of x equal to x plus 7. Oh, no, not x plus 7, sorry, 7. Anything you can create question. It will not be. See, I'm not using the log and all. Actually, beautiful questions will be there if I will use the ln x log and I use the sum 2 power x minus 1, something like that. Then it will be good. But I'm not entering into that because inequality part I didn't teach you. Whatever I taught, I'm just trying to restrict myself with this. If mod of log is coming, then also no problem. Only thing, this will change its behavior at 1, because at x equal to 1, this will be 0. So on the line, you have to draw 1. Only that much difference, nothing else. Everything rule will be same. So let's try to solve this question. Let's try to solve this question. As I told you, whenever this, no problem, because this is not inside a function. Problem is only where the inside, not inside the function. This is not inside the, this is the inside the function, this is the inside. This will change behavior at 3, and this will change behavior at 0. Be careful. I will always suggest you to rearrange it. What is the meaning? Whoever changing behavior, their value should be smallest value first, we should write it. Calculation mistake will not happen. You will understand why I am writing. I'm nothing doing. I'm just modifying the arrangement of the question. Always increasing order. Mathematics always move from smaller to bigger. Left to right means smaller to bigger. So calculation mistake will never come. Whenever it's coming, like suppose some quadratic equation you are writing. This way the quadratic looking is very bad. We should write bigger one, bigger power, then smaller power, then totally smallest power. This is the way. There is no difference. This is also correct. This is also correct. But generally, mathematics always move from left to right. So that point always keep in mind. So now here, this will change behavior at 0. This will never change behavior because this is not inside any function. This will change behavior at 3. So question is done. I hope now you can start solving. If anybody is getting before me, please type answer in the chat. If you get before me, get the type. Somebody typing the answer already started. Very good. Before 0, what will happen? This will no change, 5x. But this will become minus x. So minus minus plus x, minus x plus 3 equal to 7. This is the equation I give it. So 5x plus 6x minus x 5x equal to 4. So x equal to 4 by 5. X equal to 4 by 5. Have you understood the point? This is rejected because 4 by 5 will be after 0. So this will not be considered between 0 and 3. After 0, this will be positive. So 5x minus x, and this will be still negative. Minus x plus 3 equal to 7. Minus 5x minus 2x, 3x, and this will be equal to 4, x equal to 4 by 3. Can I accept this? Very much. Because 4 by 3 means 1 point something. It will be there inside this box. It's accepted. And after 3, what will happen? After 3, everything positive. So 5x minus x plus x minus 3 equal to 7. So this will become, x will get cancelled. 5x equal to 12. X equal to 12 by 5. And that is 12 by 5 will be what? 12 by 5 means 2 point something, which will be here. This is not inside this box, so rejected. So only answer 4 by 3. Only answer 4 by 3. Only answer 4 by 3. Somebody given 4 by 3, but change 3 answers. People giving 2, 4 by 3, 4 by 5. How? How people are getting 2? Am I clear now? Is this clear? Can I go ahead? Is there any doubt? Is it clear? All of you should put up comment if anything's having doubt. Anywhere doubt is coming, put the comment. I will explain. I'm not putting the something advanced level of the questions. Are there really, sir, how 4 by 5 rejected? Yes, 4 by 5, how rejected? Think carefully, everybody. Some people have doubt with this one. X equal to 4 by 5. 4 by 5 will be where? 4 by 5 means what? 0 point something. Means bigger than 0, na? So So that will be this side, and our boundary line is the left side of 0. We solve the question considering x is less than 0. So 4 by 5, how can I accept? 4 by 5 will be somewhere here. My boundary is here for this portion. That's why I rejected. I hope it's clear. Between 0 and 3. Let's look between 0 and 3. 0 and 3 also somebody have the difficulty. Between 0 and 3, it's a clear way. Between 0 and 3, this value we got it. So 3x equal to 4, x equal to 4 by 3. 4 by 3 means 1 point something. 1 point something will be here. It's inside the boundary to be able to accept this solution. Right? Please respond quickly so that we can do quickly. Otherwise, it will unnecessary time will go waste. Is this doubt clear to everybody? Can I go ahead? Yes. Okay. Now let's a little bit more property of the mod, and so that we can finish it off. So give the heading, all of you, properties of mod. Maximum property you already know, but just keep in mind that property can be used for your vector also, for complex number also, because mod property are remain same. First one, mod of minus x equal to mod x. I don't have to tell you, inside the mod, negative sign does not mean anything. That's why we can write this way. Second property will be this, mod of xy will be always equal to mod x into mod y. Magnitude of x into y is same as a magnitude of x into magnitude of y. And magnitude of x by y is also same as magnitude of x by magnitude of y. And the most important property, mod of x plus y is always less than equal to mod x plus mod y greater than equal to mod x minus mod y. If anybody study complex number, maybe they've seen this property. This is a very important property for not in the complex number, that will be dealt separately, but I just wanted to explain a little bit. This property, so many times in JEE Main and JEE Advanced, they use this property. So please listen carefully. Mod of x plus y, you can write mod x plus mod y only if x and y having same sign. Mod of x plus y, you can write mod x plus mod y if x and y both having the same sign. And mod of x plus y, you can write as a mod x minus mod y whole mod. Well, you know why whole mod I am keeping? Because this quantity may be negative. So, but this is positive side. Only if x and y have opposite sign. Very, very important property. Very important property. The most important property of the modulus, these two. Mod of x plus y is equal to mod x plus mod y. I will be discussing question, don't worry. And mod x plus mod y only if x and y are same sign. Same sign means either both are positive or both are negative. Mod of x plus y will be equal to mod x minus mod y if both are opposite sign, means one x is positive and other y is the negative. Same thing is there for your vector also. When if you study already vector, so you may be understanding this. A vector plus b, mod of a plus vector with mod a plus mod b, we can write only. To here sign we cannot say direction, because that is the vector. In scalar sign we talk, in vector direction also. This is valid only when they are having same sign. Sign we don't have to use. We'll say that is same direction. And mod of A minus mod of B will be equal to mod A minus mod B if they are having opposite direction. Right? Same thing for complex number also. Mod of Z1 plus Z2 will be equal to mod Z1 plus mod Z2 if Z1, Z2 are in same direction. And this will be opposite directions. Sorry, this is the plus. I'm sorry. Opposite direction. So this is the one of the very important property which will be you should deal with this one. For example, I will not solve full question because inequality I didn't teach you. Here inequality get involved. So you have to be careful. If I say mod of x square minus 1 plus mod of log x base 2 is equal to mod of x square plus log x base 2 minus 1. Find out the x value. To think carefully, this we can write x square minus 1 plus mod of log x base 2 equal to mod of x square minus 1 plus, with these two I can combine inside itself, plus log x base 2. This will be valid. See, this is the x, this is the y. Mod of x plus y equal to mod x plus mod y only when both having same sign. In mathematics, how will you say A and B having same sign? In mathematics, if I say A and B have same sign, this is the English language. But in mathematics, how will you write this statement? Anyone? Anyone can tell me. How will you write this statement? A and B having same sign. In mathematics language, how will you write? In English we say same sign. In Hindi we'll say dono ka sign same hai. But mathematics, how will we be speaking? Because you have to use mathematical term. Anyone? I didn't get a response from anybody. Two quantity will have the same sign. Yes, one of the person given the correct answers. And that's the way. You should always give the correct, means you should think. Until unless you will not think, it will be problem. So this A and B have same sign. That is the meaning AB greater than 0 or A by B greater than 0. A and B having opposite sign, AB less than 0. That's only thing. This is the mathematical. Same statement which I wrote like this, mathematics write. Mathematics is for lazy people. They always have the short form to write. Now think, this and this should have the same sign. That means x square minus 1 into log x base 2 must be greater than 0. I do not know, you know inequalities or not. But if you know the inequality, you can solve these questions very clearly, very easily. This will be plus, and this will be minus, and that will be answer will be 0 to your 0 to infinity. Complete this portion we can take it. I'm not, please don't, if you don't know the inequality, leave that one. We are coming up the inequality series where you will get the idea how to solve this kind of the question very easily. It will not be difficult task. Am I right? Is it clear? So this kind of the, basically, when you talk about the JEE point of view, this will be the main thing. They will be always talking about that one. Means the basic fundamental you are knowing. They will always create question. If you last 20 years, you will see at least 3-4 times you will see that question came on this property base. So this property is the one of the very important property. So this is all about your modulus concept. Any particular type of questions you wanted to discuss, you can type. I will surely help it out. Some idea you can give me this kind of question you wanted to do. I will surely make up question on this way. Any particular type of question which you feel problem. Now it's time for listening you and any particular type of question you want to discuss. Just I'm not saying complete question you type it. Just tell me out some kind of the hint which kind this kind of problem comes, this kind of problem I'm not able to solve. Surely I will create immediately on that type of question and solve for you and help you in that. Again, I'm saying whole modulus is the just cases, nothing else. Right? So now this is all about the complete modulus your concept which we discuss, and in the I already given the worksheet to my office. I think they must be kept in the description box. You please download that one, and that one day will be the discussion of this. So tomorrow we will not be live. We will be giving time for a student to solve those questions. We are coming up live on day after tomorrow or something. Sunday, I guess. I think Sunday, maybe. Yeah. Sunday, there are 2-hour, 3-hour classes there, which is going to be held for complete differentiation. So differentiation topics are there, which will be taking how to solve the complicated differentiation questions without spending much time into this one, because differences, people say, sir, integral calculus is tough. No, integral calculus is not tough. Your differentiation is weak. That's why integral calculus is tough. So we are coming up with on the Sunday differentiation, complete differentiation for the up to your JEE level of questions, and we will be talking about that one. So make sure all of you get notification about that one. Somebody asking trigonometric identity question. Trigonometric identity questions, of course, you try. All of you have the WhatsApp number. It's a given. Have any particular type of question, just take picture and send it. We'll try to make the session on that. All right. So please download the assignment and finish it off, and be tuned with that. We are going to release the test for this one. You can just attempt test and see how much you understood modulus. Worksheet test, I can guarantee at least JEE Main, till JEE Main, you will not do mistake in the topic. Right? So thank you very much to all of you. And we'll see on the Sunday if you are wanted to attend the differentiation, a different way of doing differentiation. Right? Thanks a lot. And please make sure to subscribe and put up the comment from your side. Thank you.